Hi, I'm Erica from FarmSteady. Today we're making one of my all-time favorite fermented hot sauces. It's fermented chili garlic hot sauce. And why it's just chili and not a specific one is because I'm using a combination of peppers, Serrano, Fresno, and a couple Habaneros. But the best part about this recipe is that it changes depending on what chilies are at the market. So the combination of peppers in this recipe is fantastic because you're getting all different layers of flavor and heat instead of just like one note. Plus, all the garlic makes this hot sauce so delicious. And if you want to learn how to ferment even more things, and I hope you do, please subscribe to this channel, hit that bell icon, and you'll be alerted when we come out with new videos. Now let's get started on making this hot sauce. For this recipe, you're going to need an assortment of chili peppers, a whole lot of garlic, 2 tablespoons of salt. When cutting any chili peppers, but especially habaneros, we're going to recommend wear gloves. Today we're using Serrano, Fresno, and a couple habaneros. Remove the tops from all your peppers and cut into 1-inch segments. Tip, if you're using super hot peppers, add more onion and even some carrot to cut the heat. Take 1 quart of water, add in your salt, and whisk until dissolved. This is going to be your brine. Pack peppers, onion, and garlic into your fermentation jar. Peppers, garlic, peppers, garlic. Get them all in there. Add your fermentation weight and pour in brine to cover. Your peppers should be fully submerged. Top with your lid and airlock, and let ferment. After fermenting for at least 2 weeks, your hot sauce is ready to blend. We get asked a lot if you blend it with all the liquid. For something mild like our jalapeno hot sauce, you can, but when you're using really hot peppers, that liquid's super spicy, so we blend with just a cup of it and then cut it with some white vinegar. Add vegetables to the blender. And 1 cup of the fermentation brine. Depending on the size of your blender, you may need to do this in batches. Blend until smooth, and then add white vinegar to taste. After blending, transfer your hot sauce into jars or old hot sauce bottles and store in the fridge. Thanks so much for tuning in, and for more recipes for kraut, kimchi, kombucha, pickles, and more, subscribe to this channel and check out FarmSteady.com. Happy fermenting!